Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look for you guys. I'm going to be using the Bling Boss palette from the Vault collection. This is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collaboration. If you guys want to learn how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're going to start off by doing our eyebrows. You guys already know I'm going to go in with the Anastasia dip brow in the color dark brown. And I'm going to be using their number 12 brush. To clean up our eyebrows, I'm going to go in with this NYX HD concealer, and this is an e.l.f. brush. This is eyeliner brush, and it's just like one of those flat brush. And I'm going to grab a little bit of that product, and then I'm going to start off right at the beginning of my eyebrow, and then just clean everything up. Next, I'm going to go back in with the concealer, and I'm going to prime my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit on my lids. And then with this crown brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out. After blending that out, I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Powder. And it is a translucent powder, but it is like a medium shade. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that right on top of that primer. Going to our eyes, we're going to start with this Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This is from the Vault collection, and this one is the Bling Boss. Looks like this. We're going to start off by going in with Hush Hush and just a fluffy brush, and we're going to be putting that on our crease. Next, we're going to go in with Rockstar and this smaller blending brush. And we're going to start packing that in right on that outer corner and bringing it up to the crease. And then you want to go back in with the fluffy brush and then grab a little bit more of Hush Hush and then just apply that on top of again, just to have a smooth transition. Next, we're going to grab Berry Treasure, which is this really dark, it's almost like a black, but it has some of those purple shimmery colors in it. And then this one, we're going to focus it right in that outer corner. And then going back to Hush Hush in that same brush, I'm going to put that right on top again. Our crease, we're going to go in with that same concealer. And I'm going to start off by just applying it directly on my eye. This little applicator is really small, so it fits in my eye pretty good. And then I'm going to go in with a brush after. This is a Sonia Kashuk brush, and the number is 110. I'm going to kind of tug on my eye a little bit here, just so that it's easier to cut my crease. Next, we're going to go back to our palette, and we're going to be applying the color Ballsy, which is like this shimmery, purpley, burgundy shade. And I'm going to be using the Sonia Kashuk brush in the number 103. And I'm going to be packing that right on top of that concealer. And then with that same brush, we're going to go back into Rockstar. Next, we're going to start applying our eyeliner. I'm using this e.l.f. liquid liner, and it's just in the color Jet Black. Next, we're going to go in with a wipe and just clean everything underneath. Mascara that I'm going to be using today is this Maybelline Rocket Volume Express. And I'm just going to apply one coat. While we let that dry, I'm going to go ahead and start applying my primer for my face. I'm using this MAC Prep and Prime. Lashes that we're going to be going in with are these Kiss Lash Couture, and it's the Triple Push Up collection. So what it says is that it has 3 different designs in one lash strip. So we're going to go ahead and try these out. This is the style I'm going to be using. This is going to be my first time trying these on. So we'll see how that goes. And the lash glue that we're going to be using is going to be this dual lash glue. Okay, we're going to start with our foundation. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC30. Next, we're going to go in with our concealer, and I'm using these two. This is the NYX HD, which you guys know I've been using this one a lot lately. This one is in the color CW, and then it has a number 6. So I don't know. I guess it's both CW and 6. And then I like to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. This one is has a little bit more of a warm tone. So I like to apply this a little bit on top of this one. And then I'm also going to be applying this cream contour that I got. This is from Wet n Wild, and this is in the color Oaks on You. And with the sponge, I'm going to blend out my concealer first. My highlight, whatever you want to call it. And then we're going to start blending our contour. All right, next we're going to go back to this CoverGirl, what is it called? Clean Professional. It's like a loose powder. Next, we're going to go in with our Hoola bronzer, and we're going to go right on top of that cream contour. Okay, next, we're going to go in with these 2 highlighters. This is MAC's Desert Rose, and this is Milani Fantastico Mauve. We're going to go in with this Desert Rose first, and we're just going to be using this blush brush. And right on top of that, we're going in with this one. This is very pigmented, so you don't want to grab a whole lot or you're going to look super pink. Just to clean that up a bit. Alright, and we're going to go back to our palette, and now we're going to do underneath our eyes. I'm going to start off by going in with this Morphe brush. This is the M507, and I'm going to be going in with Rockstar. Next, we're going to go back in with Ballsy, which is this shade that we used here, and we're just going to apply that like right in here. And then kind of blend the two colors together. Alright, to brighten up our eyes, I'm going to use this Inglot liner, and I'm going to go ahead and line the bottom of my eye. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and just take off our powder. And then we're going to apply our highlighter. Today I'm going to be using this Milani shade, and it's number 3, and I believe it's called Strobelight. And then we're just going to go ahead and use this e.l.f. brush. Going back into our mascara, I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, for lips, I'm going to be going in with this Keep It Loose pod from MAC. And I'm just going to apply with my fingers. Right on top of this, I'm going to be applying this NYX color in the numbers 129. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.